Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in getting high-paying job offers sent to you for free, you can enter your email below for Fetti. Fetti will help you land the job of your dreams. Basically, all you have to do is answer a couple of questions, enter your email, and Fetti will actually send you a list of high-paying jobs. It's super easy. You can even do this remotely and from anywhere in the country. You can literally apply to multiple jobs in a single click. So use our link below for Fetti, and now let's jump into the video. Hey guys, so here I have Ronnie. What is it? Ronnie SPE Tv on YouTube. All his links will be down below. And Ronnie was actually on the channel. When was that? Like 8 months ago?
Something like that. I can't remember exactly when, but around that time.
Yeah, I have no idea. But anyways, so we're gonna be asking him some new questions, some follow-up questions, and Ronnie in the rideshare community is known for driving insane hours and making $2,000 a week.
Absolutely.
So, I mean, you can give like a brief introduction if you want to.
Okay, sure. Yeah, sure. So, man, y'all know, for the people who are familiar with me, and y'all already know how I get down, how I like to start. So I'm going to do my intro. Let's get it. Man, what's going on, people? Drum roll. Guitar. Piano. Ronnie SPE coming back. Let's get it. Yeah, y'all see it, man. 2 racks a week. So, so I started the whole, 2 racks a week movement probably like a year and a half ago. Prior to that, I was making $2,000. And, the reason why I started it is because so many people out here, they talk shit about driving, Uber and Lyft. Oh, you can't make money. Just a bunch of nerds, man, bunch of complainers. When I say nerds, it's an acronym for never embraced real driving. So, man, you got to push yourself. I was curious to see how much money I could potentially make. Not only that, I wanted to test myself to see what I truly was capable of. So I started driving, the maximum amount of hours. And this happened in 2019, I want to say. And my epiphany was, once I got my 1099 from the 2018, I seen I grossed like 80,000 and net like 60 or something. I was like, I could probably gross 100,000. Let me, adjust some of my strategies, work the maximum amount of hours. And, that's exactly what I did. I executed, hit that $100,000 mark. I was making 2 racks consistently. Then I figure out most people don't know exactly what they're talking about. So, and I started 2 racks a week movement. So far, I've interviewed over 56 drivers. So shout out to the men and women who did accomplish $2,000. That's a huge milestone. I'm proud of y'all. And, now we here with another interview.